Good afternoon po mga kapatid. Ito, nasa Session Road na po tayo. Ayan, naglalakad po. Ayan. Napakaraming tao dito sa Session Road sa Baguio. Yung mga kasama natin, ayan, oh. 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 Ayan. Medyo pagod na po yung guide namin. Ayun, nasa unahan. Ayan. Hey, wave, bro. Wave. The Session Road.
Session Road?
Yeah. Walking.
Walking is in session.
Yeah, walking in the Session Road.
Session Road. Yeah.
Huh? Yeah. Ba. Ano po? Session Road. Marami pong tao dito sa Session Road. Session Road. Marami pong tao dito sa Session Road. Dito. Ay. Ito yung pinaka sentro ng Baguio, Session Road. Mabenga 2025. Oh, St. Joseph. Your drugstore, bro.
Some dope. Some painkillers.
Drug dealers.
Session Road. Oh. What happened?
Oh, wanted, janitor ka no.
Mobile silver and accessory.
Yan, maraming tao.
Okay, hey, katalalan ka natin mo kayo kay.
Wala, tilapapunta lang na.
Tignan natin. Yeah. Ito kasi parang ano na yun.
Where? Oh.
Actually, yung boyfriend, sa'yo mabait.
Ay, doon tayo mag-wait.
Is going down? Okay. This Ukay-Ukay Center. Okay, we're here at the Ukay-Ukay Center.
Yes. Here we come.
Session Road. Yeah. Good afternoon. Here we go. Oh, the Ukay-Ukay. Oh.
Diyan eh, kilo.
Yag.
Like ma? No? Yours?
Oh,
Sleepy time tomorrow.
what happened? Okay.
Kanwa, ludinalan.
Oh.
That was extraordinarily quick.
Oh. Maybe she not fine.
Lay, hareta ti sombrero lay.
Puput time again. Oh. Oh. Ukay-Ukay Center. So later, see you later.